Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video, we are going to be making a music game. So how are you going to do that? So when green flag is clicked, when green flag is clicked, we want the music to start playing. So we're on black backdrops right now. So we're going to choose a sprite. What would you want the sprite to be? So to be a music sprite. So let's choose the drum. No, the drum is here. Now we're going to make music on this drum. So you see high drum, let's play. And let's play low drum. So that's nice. It will be playing. Let's make it play forever. So let's use low drum and see how it sounds when it plays forever. Listen to the beat. Then you also want to play high drum. So play the drum high drum. That sounds a little weird. Let's play. Okay, now we're going to only play high. Oh, I said high. I think it was high drum. High tone. High tone. High tone. Sorry, high tone. I'm liking that one. Let's use a sprite, music. What you think? Microphone. No. A singer. Singer would be nice. Devin singer? No. Or this pop sound. Okay. That'll be fine. So, let's use another sprite. Music. A guitar. Why is it not loaded? Okay. A guitar is here. So, we are just going to do this forever. And let's see this C2 guitar. So, whenever you want your sound to be here, all you need is here. Okay, this sounds not that good. Let's see. This is super slow. Okay, let's try. This is very slow, so everything will be not nice. So let's just leave this. Let's use another sprite music. What sprite should we choose? What sprite should we choose? Microphone? No. Keyboard. Let's see keyboard. Yeah. It's not loading. Why is it not loading? Okay. Maybe I not click on this sprite. Yeah. Okay, we have two keyboards. Okay. Let's see that. Good. So yeah, is keyboard 2. And we're going to 1 use like a click. 1 is to play something. Those are the sounds. Let's check this time. That's nice. I hope this is nice because I did not practice for making the video, so but I already, I already knew how I would do it. So okay, then this time we want like a hard beat. So how do you get those hard beats from the game? Uh, that's not a hard beat, but that would do it. Mm. When it comes to sketching sounds, it's not the best. Let me just tell you, it's just not the best. So, how will I play this game? How do I make this sound? Oh, you can just sing. Can get the audio from somewhere that can meet your expectation for the drums because I don't practice this. I don't know which can be good. The drum, let's say, let's add a sound. Let's say I'm singing. I don't want to sing, so I'm telling you. I want something that goes hard. Maybe another, no, I don't want to point. Maybe another drum. Maybe another drum. Maybe another drum. Another drum. Let's say another drum. Let's say another drum. This is the same thing. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay, that is the same thing, so. Okay, this one. Oh, okay. It's another beat, but it was it, it was nice. You see, if I could make it faster, wait, I got even get faster by this sound. Wait, that's fast. Sorry, guys. If you don't like this, this is how far we can go. Okay, if you don't like this, maybe it's not nice to you. Mm, it sounds like a beat. It sounds like a beat. So I'm just gonna end. Bye bye.